Hello and welcome dear grade 6 students in another revision video. Today we will talk about soil and ecosystem. As two ecosystems will be mentioned as soil in graceland, as savanna containing dry sand soil, and the dry sand soil is loose, so it drains water quickly. The plants that grow in the soil of graceland are grasses, a variety of grasses, and small plants. Large trees often don't grow in the soil of savannas because it is dry and loose soil. The animals that live in the soil of graceland are herbivorous, such as gazelles or deers, which feed on grasses and small plants. Also large and fast carnivores, such as lions and cheetahs, that feed on herbivores as gazelles. The soil in a bog, which contains clay soil that remains and retains much water very well, so the soil may be wet most of the time. The plants that grow in the soil of bogs contains plants that can grow in wet soil and form the basis of a bog ecosystem. Animals that live in the soil of bogs. The most common animals live in the bog ecosystem are frogs and mosquitoes. Moving on to how soil impacts the Earth's system. As poor agricultural practices have many impacts on the soil, such as soil depletion. It may happen due to converting fertile agricultural land or arable land into cities, factories, and pastures. The overusing of pesticides and the overusing of chemical fertilizers and other pollutants. Factors that lead to soil erosion, the type of soil, removing plants, and increasing the amount of water. Overpopulation. Overpopulation means that too much increase in the number of a certain species of living organisms in a habitat. Overpopulation leads to less food, water, shelter, and space for other populations or organisms that live in the same habitat. Overpopulation can occur in different ways due to natural changes or human activities. Thank you. Meet in another video.